In this video, I'll show you how to create a Reels ad in Meta Ads. First, sign into your Meta Ads account and open Ads Manager. Click Create to start a new campaign and choose the objective that best fits your goal, such as sales, traffic, or engagement. Next, complete your campaign settings and move to the ad set level. Configure your audience, budget, schedule, and optimization settings. In the Placement section, choose Manual Placements and select Facebook Reels and Instagram Reels. After that, continue to the ad level and select your Facebook page and Instagram account. Upload a vertical video with a 9:16 aspect ratio, add your primary text, headline if applicable, and choose a call to action button. Now, preview your ad in the Reels placement to make sure it displays correctly. Check that your video, captions, and call to action look good before continuing. Finally, review all of your campaign settings and click Publish. Once Meta approves your ad, it will begin running in the Reels placements you've selected. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a Reels ad in Meta Ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.